Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be talking all about these press-on nails. So I've been doing the press-on nails for quite some time now. So I went to Walgreens today and found these Kiss Masterpiece one-of-a-kind Luxe Mani press-on nails. So I thought I would just show you guys how I apply my press-on nails, and we'll go over some tips and tricks on how to make them last. So if you guys would like to see that, just continue watching. So this pack right here at Walgreens was $10.99, which is actually a little bit pricey for Kiss nails, but I thought because, you know, they have the rhinestones, these are actually the long nails and the different designs. Of course, these ones are going to be a little bit more. So this set right here comes with 30 nails. Normally when I buy a set with 28 to 30 nails, I can use it twice. So 2 full sets of nails, plus if I have a couple like pop off and I need to replace them, it covers that as well. So I just took off this set today. These are the medium length salon color collection nails, and I love these. These ones are probably my favorite. I normally use the Kiss Impress gel manicures. Those come with the glue already on the nail, and I like those as well. They just come in a short length. So these ones come with a little sticky tab that you can stick on yourself. I don't really like those as much as the Impress ones. I feel like it's a little bit different. And it also comes with like this pink gel glue that you can glue on, which is amazing. And I think that is what comes in these. I'm not sure, but I hope it is. And this is what my nails are looking like. They feel amazing. They don't feel damaged at all, especially not as much as they do after my acrylics. I couldn't keep up with the acrylics. They were so high maintenance. They broke on me all the time, and they just left my nails feeling so gross, and not to mention they were super expensive. So these work perfectly for me because I have an 11-month-old. I'm constantly washing dishes, washing bottles, cleaning, cooking. So press-on nails are just perfect for me. Right after I took off the artificial nail, I just took a nail file, just went over my nails very lightly just to make sure I didn't have any glue residue. Then I went in with my cuticle oil and just massaged that into my cuticles and on my nails. This is enriched with vitamin E. If you have vitamin E oil, you can use that, or if you have coconut oil, olive oil, just some kind of oil to make sure your nails and your cuticles are nourished. After I massaged it with the oil, I just made sure I washed my hands very well. And I'm going to go ahead and use just some nourishing nail polish remover. I don't want to use acetone or anything too harsh, so this stuff is perfect. So I'm just going to take a very little bit. Ooh, that wasn't a little bit. Ooh. I'm just going to go over my nails with the nail polish remover just to make sure I don't have any excess oils on my nails. This is going to help your press-on nails stick for as long as possible. So if you're using a cotton ball, I just make sure I don't have any excess lint on my fingernails. So I'm just doing that right now. So this is the glue that comes in the kit, and I'm going to show you the method that I use to make them last as long as possible. So I'm just going to use this little piece of paper that came in the nails to place my sizes out so I know what sizes I'm going to be using. So I just went ahead and separated the nails. There are 5 metallic pieces, and then there are 6 rhinestone accent nails. Okay, so I basically just size out my nails and lay them on something in order. That way I know what needs to go where when I start gluing, because when you start gluing, it goes pretty quickly. So when I am sizing my nails, I just start at the cuticle, make sure that it covers the whole area and it's not outside of the nail bed, so it looks as natural as possible. A lot of people make the mistake of putting it on too big, but you want a little bit more of a snugger fit. That way it will look the most natural. And I also make sure I press it on my nail to make sure none of my regular nail is showing on either sides of the nail. That's just going to make it look like you got it done at the salon. So this glue you just have to twist open, and there's another little tab that you will twist off here on the glue. And I just always use this little plastic piece to put my glue in, that way it doesn't get anywhere. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the most effective way that I find to glue the nail on and to make it last the longest. I take a little bit of glue and I spread it around my nail, and I do avoid like the edges of my nail. I just kind of spread it on the inner part. So I would say that's about 2 little drops of glue, and then just spread it out. And then I drop a little bit of glue in the nail and spread it out as well. And I just let it sit for like 2 seconds. It's almost kind of like letting lash glue dry, but like a lot quicker. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and start at my cuticle and press the nail down. Now, if you see the glue start to like come out on the edges, that's fine. Just kind of lighten up on the pressure, because you really don't want to get the glue on the nail, because you'll be able to see it. And then you just want to kind of hold down for 5 seconds. Now, if you don't see the glue coming to the edges of the nail, then press a little bit harder. And while I'm pressing, I'm kind of applying the pressure like side to side, back to front, that way, just to make sure there's no bubbles or like air pockets in the nail. So once I've held it down for about like 5 to 10 seconds, it should be completely dry, and you've got your beautiful salon looking nail. Now, sometimes on the tips of these nails, there are these little like tabs that you need to file off. So I'll just grab my nail file and just lightly just file it forward, and that takes care of that. So I'm just going to go over it and show you guys one more time. So I'll apply a little bit of glue on my nail, spread it out. You don't want to do too much. As long as it doesn't touch the edges of your nail, then you know you didn't do too much. And then a little bit under the nail also as well. As long as it doesn't touch the edges, you're good. Just hold it up there for a couple seconds before you press it on. Start at the cuticle and then press down. And hold that for 5 to 10 seconds. Just a couple tips. I do like to wear rubber gloves when I wash dishes or bottles. But as far as like taking a shower, washing your face, things like that, you can do those completely normal, and the nails should be fine. You just kind of have to be a little bit more gentle, you know? So this is the completed set. This is the design that I chose. I am so obsessed. So after your nails are glued on, you are good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're gonna check these out, leave a thumbs up down below, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys all in my next video really soon. Bye.